Are you also facing the same problem? No problem at all. I have a solution. Today we are going to use this WD-40 spray. You just have to spray it on a rusty thing, or just say here I have taken a diya. You just have to spray it, leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes. आप इसे brush से rub कीजिए and a clean cloth से आप इसे clean कर लीजिए, and then tada, you can see how beautifully it has cleaned my diya. It is before and after. Next are these noisy doors. Oh my god, it fixed that also. You just have to spray it and then see. Beautiful, right? Next I have this plier. This was really old. इसमें अच्छे से अंदर तक जंग लगी हुई थी. As you can see, rust is all around. इसमें भी I have just sprayed, left it for 5-10 minutes and then rub it nicely, and a clean cloth से आप इसे clean कर लीजिए, and here you can see the difference. So all the cleaning is possible with WD-40.